Ungqongqoshe omusha obhekele ezemisebenzi kahulumeni nenqalasizinda uMartin Meyer uthi umnyango wakhe angeke uncengane nezigelekeqe. Isifundazwe simiswe libhojozi izinhlangano ezifana namadela ngokubona eziphazamisa-ke ukusebenza kosonkontileka zifuna ukuqayelwa isabelo esingamaphesenti angama-30 somsebenzi. UMeyer uthi-ke angeke bazibekezelele izephulamthetho.
If people show up with cars and automatic rifles and semi-automatic rifles at a building site and threaten people's lives and stop work, that's criminal activity, plain and simple. And that will not be tolerated.
Kodwa-ke amadela ngokubona acasha ngenqubomgomo ye-ANC ethinta ukuguqulwa komnotho aphika amangentaba.
All what we are doing in most cases, like in Piklikaseme Hospital, is to sit down with the main contractor and articulate around the 30% that is government gazetted.
UMeyer uthi-ke amabhilidi afana nalawa kumele avuselelwe kabusha. Uthi-ke akufanele ukuba uhulumeni achithe imali eshisiwe ekhokha irenti nakuba-ke enenqwaba yezakhiwo ezingavuselelwa kabusha noma zidayiswe. Ezindabeni zethu ku-Channel 163 olethelwa iNewsroom Africa nginguNtando Mnyandu eThekwini.